Good morning students, I am your science teacher from Lucknow Model Public Inter College and I am going to teach you today physics lesson number 2, that is motion. So we have already studied about types of motion. Now today we will study about some terms. Now first of all start with distance. We will know what is distance. So it is distance traveled by a body is the actual length of the path covered by it, and it is irrespective of the direction in which the body travels. It means it is the actual length covered by a moving body. Now what is displacement? It is the shortest distance between its initial position and final position along with direction. And SI unit for both displacement and distance is meter. Now see the difference between both of them. Distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. And distance traveled by a moving body, it cannot be zero, but final displacement of a moving body can be zero. Now what is a scalar and vector? So scalar quantity is a physical quantity which has magnitude only, for example length, mass, time, speed, energy, etc. And vector quantity is a physical quantity which has both magnitude as well as direction. So its example can be displacement, velocity, acceleration, momentum, force, etc. Now we will talk about speed. What is speed? It can be said that the rate at which an object covers distance is called speed, or the distance traveled by an object in unit time is called speed of the object, and its formula is speed is equal to distance upon time. Now, what is average speed? So, it is the ratio of total distance traveled to the total time taken to cover this distance, and it can be written average speed is equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. Now see some numericals. First one is calculate the speed of an object if it covers a distance of 15 meter in 5 seconds. So here it is given distance 15 meter and time 5 seconds. So we have to calculate speed. We will use the formula distance upon time. So distance is 15 and time is 5. So we will get the answer 3 meter per second. Now the next example is the speed of car is 60 km per hour. Speed is given 60 km per hour. If the car travels at a constant speed for 2 hours, how much distance will it cover? We have to calculate distance and time is given 2 hours. So we will use the formula speed is equal to distance upon time, and for calculating distance we will multiply speed into time. So speed is 60 and time is 2. So we will get answer 120 km. Now what is velocity? So it is defined as distance traveled by a body in unit time in a given direction, and its formula can be distance traveled in a given direction upon time taken or displacement upon time taken. Some notes is given that it is a vector quantity, and it can be either positive 0 or negative, and direction of velocity is same as the direction of displacement of a body. Now what is uniform velocity? If an object covers equal distances in equal interval of time in a given direction, it is said to have uniform velocity. And what is variable velocity? A body is said to be moving with variable velocity if its speed or its direction or both changes with time. Now average velocity is the ratio of the total displacement covered by a body to the total time taken. Now see the difference between speed and velocity. Speed is the time rate of change of distance of a body, and velocity is the time rate of change of displacement of a body. Speed tells nothing about the direction of motion of body, and velocity tells the direction of motion of body. Speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. Speed of body can be positive or zero, and velocity of the body can be positive, zero or negative. And average speed of moving a body can never be zero, but average velocity of moving body can be 0. Now we will see the difference between mass and weight. So what is mass? It is a measure of number of atoms or amount of matter in an object, and it is constant for a body, and it does not change with place, and it can be measured using a beam balance, and its SI unit is kilogram. Now what is weight? It is a force exerted by an object of fixed mass due to gravity, and it is not constant for a body, but it changes from place to place, and it can be measured using a spring balance, and its SI unit is Newton. So that's all for today.